What's the meaning of barbarity? Barbarity. Barbarity.
Barbarity. Barbarity. Barbarity refers to a cruel and inhumane act or behavior that is considered to be outside the norms of civilized society. It can be described as a state of extreme brutality, violence, or savagery towards other human beings or animals. The term is often used to describe acts of war, terrorism, or violence committed against innocent people. Barbarity is a subjective concept and varies depending on cultural, historical, and social context. However, it generally implies a lack of empathy, compassion, and respect for other living beings. In its worst form, barbarity can lead to genocide, ethnic cleansing, and other forms of mass violence and human suffering.